Today, as always, man fell into two groups, slaves and free men. Whoever does not have 2/3 of his day for himself is a slave, whatever he may be, a statesman, a businessman, an official, or a scholar. A quote from Friedrich Nietzsche. Welcome back to Wildpod X. Tony here. Today is 21st of March 2025. Here on this channel we dive into everything related to money, investing, crypto, and psychology. So if you're keen to stay ahead in finance, be sure to subscribe. Now let's take a quick look at today's market update. Bitcoin is currently trading at $84,000. Ethereum is at $1,970. Tesla is at $236. And Block, ticker symbol XYC, is at $87. Without further ado, let's get into today's morning deep dive. Let's talk about Friedrich Nietzsche's quote that we previously mentioned. His words cut deeper than ever in today's world. Because here's the truth. If you're trading your time for money, if you have no financial freedom, you're not truly free. And if you don't invest, if you don't make your money work for you, you're locking yourself into a lifetime of servitude. So today, let's talk about freedom. And let's do that by breaking down two of the most powerful assets of our time, Tesla and Bitcoin. If you had to choose just one, which would it be? And more importantly, how do you build real wealth with them? Let's start with Tesla. Tesla is not just a car company, it's a revolution. It's self-driving technology, AI, energy, robotic, all wrapped up in one of the most disruptive companies on the planet. When you invest in Tesla, you're not just betting on a stock, you're betting on the future of transportation, automation, and energy. Then we have Bitcoin, the first and the only truly decentralized digital asset, a store of value that no government can print into oblivion, hedged against inflation, currency debasement, and the reckless monetary policy. Tesla has mega factories, and Bitcoin has a fixed supply. Tesla has revenue, Bitcoin has truthless security, and a global network effect. And when we talk about volatility, both of these assets, they'll shake you to your core. Tesla has been cut in half multiple times, 2022, 2023, and now massive crashes. And Bitcoin, on the other hand, has seen 80% drop and still came back stronger every single time. That's why conviction is everything. And long-termism is the only way to win. We'll go into the detail of long-termism in another video, but here's the proof why it works. If you had started investing just $20 per week into Tesla back in 2015, without stopping, without trying to time the market, and just setting it and forgetting it, your portfolio today would be worth close to $100,000. Let that sink in, just $20 per week, you can do that. That's 2 takeaway meals or probably 1 Uber ride. And now, let's say you do the same for $100 per week since 2015. So after 10 years, you're now sitting on $500,000. Just from that alone, you're doing everything else the same in life. Just putting away $100 per week and invest into a quality asset. That's the proof for you. The number don't lie. This isn't gambling. This isn't speculation. It is mathematics, and this is compounding over time. And it works the same with Bitcoin too. And the problem is, most people don't do this. They don't even know about this. They want to wait for the perfect moment, or they want to wait until they have spare cash. They'll try to time the dip, they'll hesitate, and by the time they realize they should have been investing all along, either they're very close to retirement, or the quality's assets price has already run away from them. So here's the takeaway. It doesn't matter if you pick Tesla or Bitcoin or any other quality asset that you believe in. No matter if it's $20 per week or $200 per week. Just make sure you stay consistent, stay disciplined, and stay invested. Because the market will crash again. It will test you. It will shake you. But if you have long-termism, if you have vision, you will come out on top. Now let's take a look at today's top news. The first news. In recent weeks, there has been a notable increase in violence attack targeting Tesla properties, including dealerships and charging stations. These incidents have been linked to political motivations, particularly in the opposition to the CEO Elon Musk's involvement in the Trump's administration. Attorney General Pam Bondi has labeled this act as domestic terrorism and is pursuing stringent legal action against the perpetrators. The second news, the CEO of CryptoQuant has notified a significant rise in smaller Bitcoin transactions, indicating heightened retail investor participation. He suggests that the long-anticipated influx of retail investing into Bitcoin market has already occurred, primarily through ETFs. This shifts imply that the retail investors are now a substantial force in the cryptocurrency space, potentially altering market dynamics. And the third news, US President Donald Trump made history as the first sitting president to speak at a crypto summit and address the investors, traders, institutions, and industry at the event.
Together we will make America the undisputed Bitcoin superpower and the crypto capital of the world.
Trump touched upon key crypto victories of his administration, the recent White House Crypto Summit, and his future plan for the industries. That's a wrap for today's episode. Please subscribe for daily updates in weekdays. Have a nice weekend, stay invested, and I'll see you next Monday.